just want to know why I look like I'm on crack 24/7. It has been such a week. Anyway, hello. It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. It's break! I actually had an idea. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna do something that's been a little bit trendy on YouTube, you know what I mean? As you know, I kind of have like a shopping addiction. 3 videos. I've been showing you a haul of the things that I got when I went shopping. Of course, since it's Christmas time, you know, Black Friday came and got a lot of I decided it'd be a good idea for you to come along with me to clean out my closet. Yay! Oh my god, I know, it's so exciting. I just wanted to put a little disclaimer. I did buy everything with my own money. All of the shoes that I did buy were either at DSW for less than 20 bucks, so that's why I kept getting them. It's not because I have a lot of money, because I don't. I work really hard for my money. I have 3 jobs, so I'm not trying to brag or anything. I just really wanted to clean out my closet, and I saw that it was a trend on YouTube, so just wanted to put that out there. I'm gonna be doing this thing here. I think I just have a lot of junk in here. I haven't really been able to like clean out the stuff that I actually use. I always think one day I'm gonna wear this, but so I keep it and then I never wear it. Today, we are going to be going through my closet. This is my mess. As you can see, I wasn't kidding. I do have a lot of I obviously have a shoe addiction, as you can tell from both sides of my door. I actually already cleared out half of shoes that I did have, and I need to clear out more. I have this, that, and all of this. All this stuff I'll probably be selling on either Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, or I'm going to donate it to Goodwill. Let's get started. Also, below, you can't really see because of the camera angle, but there are more shoes at the bottom and just bags. I'm also probably going to be doing a time lapse of a lot of this. If you do want to buy my stuff that I am donating, I will put the link in the description below. Enjoy this. Oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start. That's when like this whole like Balenciaga trend was going on. I got these for like $10, but they're cute, but probably not gonna wear them again. I need to decide either these Vans or these. I feel like I'm feeling the high tops. Yeah, all right. I think this is a pretty good amount that I've gotten rid of for shoes. I have boots too that I haven't. This is going to be so hard because I wear boots a lot, but there's also a lot that I don't wear. I have no idea what this is. Oh, we got some chocolates. Oh, I have my blood pressure monitor. I've been looking for that. Gosh, we're making lots of progress. Holy shit. I'm so scared. We're going from, I think the top, I just go in random order really, so. What happened? Scarves are staying. I reorganized all my shoes. I did this top part, and now we are going to do the main part. Oh my gosh, I literally was looking for this. I finished my closet. Had all of our shoes here and I cut it down to these 2 racks and cut this down all the way. I have my main boots down there and I have my little cap stuffed animal right there. Put all my scarves in this laundry basket and my bathing suit, all the hats that I do wear, my heated blankets, and I put all my backpacks and everything in there. I also tried to color coordinate a little bit. I was trying to do like skirts here, the shirts that I wear long sleeves, and then dresses in the back. It does look a lot better from what it was before. This was the aftermath of the leftovers that I have. Those 2 are for donations. My Vera Bradleys and everything in this bag, which is mostly shoes, are probably going to be on Facebook Marketplace and Poshmark. And here I had organized my cardigans from Color Coordination, my flannels, and then I have all my sweatshirts back there as well. I have my sweatpants, my t-shirts, and my work clothes down there. This is what it come to. I actually did a lot of decompressing, and I'm thinking of doing a different video for my dresser and the other side because this video is already super long. Thank you so much if you made it to the end of this video. I really appreciate it. Give this video a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down below. And if you haven't followed all my social medias, they will be in the description below, along with my Facebook and my Poshmark, in case you want to buy some of these items that I am releasing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys next video. Bye!